to make your phone case using a balloon. So you get your balloon, your colour of choice. I chose red. You don't have to choose one that's as big as this, just the only one I had, and you grab your phone. So you put your phone on top of the balloon and you push down. At the same time you deflate the balloon. So it's going to go like this.
Hopefully this works.
Okay, so sometimes you just got to fix up the edges a bit so you can reach all your buttons. Fix this up. So it could be like that. You still got your front camera, your back camera won't really work. But once you have this bit, you can either cut it off or you could just do this. Lift the top flap up and then fold it underneath it. You could do it better than that, but you know, I'm just like doing this quickly.
Yeah, it's just practicing.
And as you can see, your phone still completely works. All this inside, all your buttons still work. All your buttons still work. And yeah, that's it.